Can you find Earth on this sky? It's one of these tiny dots. Hard, right? What about from here? Still not sure? Okay, from the moon, it's much easier. And yeah, the moon isn't a planet, but it's the best view we have. In this video, I'm going to show you what our home looks like from every single planet in the solar system. Let's go. First is Venus. The clouds here are thick and yellow. But if we go above the atmosphere, Earth looks like a brilliant blue spark. Through the lens, it's no longer just a point of light. It's a beautiful, glowing marble floating in the dark. On Mars, Earth is a bright morning star. If you look closely, you can even see the moon sitting right next to it. It is the only place that still looks like home. Now to Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun, a world of extreme heat and frozen craters. From here, Earth looks like a brilliant, bright white star hanging in the blackness. Now we are at Jupiter. We are floating above storms that could swallow Earth whole. It's a violent, beautiful nightmare. It's just a tiny white point, lost in the dark. Look between the rings of Saturn. Tiny pixel is us. Everything you have ever known exists on that one dot. It really shows how small we are. Uranus. We are standing on one of its small moons. It feels cold and lonely out here. You have to know exactly where to look. From this distance, Earth isn't even a planet anymore. It's just a faint ghost in the black sky. Neptune. This is the very edge of the solar system. We are standing on a small frozen moon. From here, the sun is just a bright light. Earth is almost impossible to find without a telescope. "4 billion miles away on Pluto. The sky here is beautiful and full of stars, but we are totally alone. Home isn't a place anymore, it's just a memory." Let's go back to the moon for a better look. After all that darkness, this is a relief. This is the clearest view of our world. It looks big, bright, and full of life. The sun, our star. From here, our entire world is just a tiny black grain, a shadow passing in front of a giant ball of fire. We are so small. If you want to see more of our terrifyingly beautiful universe, subscribe and join us for the next journey.